Ang ganda. Hey, Mac Jude.
Mac Jude Marikit. Mac Jude Marikit. Mac Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit.
Next, we will be awarding the winner of Miss Alagang Silka. She will be taking home 50,000 pesos in cash plus skincare products. Miss Alagang Silka 2021 is Bini Bini 24, Francesca Taruk from Angeles, Pampanga.
Alagang Selka.
Take a breath because you're in the finals, Bini Bini.
Francesca Tarok.
Bini Bini 24, Francesca Taruk, Angeles, Pampanga.
The greatest lesson that I have learned during this pandemic is to be more grateful, to appreciate the little things in life, the laughters that we share with our families and friends. Those are the things that truly matter.
Ay! Francesca!
From Angeles City,
Payaday o payaday.
Francesca Taruk.
Oo.
Actress and blogger. Maria also takes part in staying one step ahead and as a competitive chess master. Between 7
Dala na yung walk. Oh, Francesca Tarok! Benchlingab. Oh,
Green symbolizes hard work, health,
ganda.
and hope. As we all face life's daily battles, I want to be the voice of a better world.
Wow! Benchlingab.
Angeles City.
Wow! Ang ganda. Grabe.
Guys, grabe yung mga gown nila ngayon.
Grabe. Ang ganda talaga. Oh, yung ang ganda ng suso niya. Wow!
Yes.
Perfect. Ang ganda, best. Kumakain mo.
Grabe ng mga gown. Namamarat ako dahil. Ghost bangs.
For our question
Napakaba naman ng music.
24.
Go, Tarok! Tarok! Kupaya girl!
It is not an easy position to be in. The grace under pressure needed in a situation like this, definitely Kat. And the questions are so beautiful, profound, and relevant as well.
My judge is Undersecretary Benito Bengzon Jr.
Our chairman of the board.
Go, girl! Kupaya girl! Tarok!
Good evening.
Good evening.
Here is the question. Given the pandemic situation now in the Philippines, should vaccination be a choice or a mandate?
A choice.
Vaccination should be a choice.
Yes.
And I still remember the days when we were all longing for vaccines to be created. And now that
Yes,
vaccines are
tama.
available, we tend to get hesitated because we fear of the side effects.
Kalma
But
lang,
I
pero
encourage
okay.
everyone to choose to get vaccinated
Perfect.
because this is the big step for us to move forward and to protect ourselves and
Tama.
our loved ones.
Mga, I love
Go
it!
na ka, girl! Tarok!
Bini 24.
Answer.
Perfect!
Pa-answer din.
Part of Araneta City celebrations this year, one Bini Bini will take home the title of Bini Bini Araneta City. This is another first from the City of Firsts. The winner will have an Araneta City endorsement contract worth 500,000 pesos, and she is none other than Bini Bini.
Hannah Arnold.
Okay.
Albay.
Manila.
Manila.
Bini Bini 24, Francesca Taruk.
Francesca Tarok! Yes! Yung mga bet ko.
Congratulations. To present
Oh, hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. subscribe to Mac Jude's channel!
Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nahantay ko na lang.
Hello guys! Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel!